Have you ever dreamt of being your own boss, of setting your own hours and building something incredible? E-commerce makes this dream a reality. In 2024, the online marketplace is more vibrant than ever. Millions of shoppers browse the web daily, searching for unique products and experiences. This is your chance to grab a slice of the pie. Don't be daunted if you're not a tech whiz or a marketing guru. Building a successful e-commerce business is achievable for anyone with passion, a solid plan, and the right guidance. This essay will be your roadmap, packed with practical steps and cost-effective solutions. We'll navigate the exciting world of e-commerce together, from finding your niche to launching your brand. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and dive in. This is your time to shine. The e-commerce revolution is here, and it's rewriting the rules of business. No longer are you confined by geographical boundaries or limited by traditional retail spaces. The world is your oyster, and with a bit of creativity and hustle, you can build a brand that resonates with customers globally. Are you ready to join the ranks of successful e-commerce entrepreneurs? Let's get started. The first step on your e-commerce journey is deciding what to sell. This is where passion meets market demand. What are you genuinely excited about? What problems can you solve for potential customers? Start by brainstorming your interests and skills. Are you a whiz in the kitchen? Perhaps you have a knack for crafting beautiful jewelry. Maybe you're a fitness fanatic with innovative workout routines to share. Once you have a list of potential products, it's time to research. Use tools like Google Trends to see what's trending in your chosen category. Explore social media platforms to identify popular products and customer pain points. Remember, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Focus on finding a niche within a larger market. For example, instead of selling generic phone cases, consider creating personalized cases for pet lovers or eco-friendly cases made from sustainable materials. Finding your niche is about identifying a gap in the market and filling it with a product that solves a problem, sparks joy, or simply makes life easier for your target audience. So, what will your unique offering be? In the bustling world of e-commerce, understanding your competition is crucial. Think of it as a game of chess. You need to anticipate your opponent's moves to stay ahead. Start by identifying your key competitors. Who are the major players in your niche? What are their strengths and weaknesses? Analyze their websites, social media presence, and customer reviews. What are they doing well? What could they improve? This information will be invaluable as you develop your own brand and marketing strategy. Don't be afraid to learn from the best. Identify successful e-commerce businesses in your industry and dissect their strategies. What are their pricing models? How do they engage with their customers? What marketing channels do they use? Remember, imitation is the sincerest form of flattery, but innovation is key to standing out. Use your competitor research to inspire your own unique approach. By understanding your competition inside and out, you'll be well equipped to carve out your own space in the market. Your brand is more than just a logo and a color scheme. It's the heart and soul of your business. It's the feeling customers get when they interact with your products, your website, and your marketing materials. A strong brand identity fosters trust, builds loyalty, and sets you apart from the competition. Start by defining your brand's core values. What do you stand for? What makes you unique? Are you all about sustainability, affordability, luxury, or something else entirely? Your core values will guide every aspect of your business, from the products you sell to the tone of voice you use in your marketing. Next, choose a brand name that is memorable, easy to pronounce, and relevant to your niche. Your logo should be visually appealing, scalable, and reflective of your brand's personality. Consistency is key when it comes to branding. Ensure that your brand identity is reflected across all touchpoints, from your website and social media profiles to your packaging and customer service. A cohesive brand experience will make your business more memorable and trustworthy to potential customers. Your online store is your virtual storefront, so it's essential to make a great first impression. Choose an e-commerce platform that is user-friendly, visually appealing, and offers the features you need to run your business smoothly. Popular options include Shopify, known for its ease of use and extensive app store, WooCommerce, a highly customizable platform for WordPress users, and Magento, a more robust solution for larger businesses with complex needs. When designing your website, prioritize a clean and intuitive layout that is easy to navigate. High-quality product photos are a must, along with detailed descriptions and customer reviews. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly. as more and more shoppers are browsing and purchasing on their smartphones. Don't forget about the checkout process. Make it as seamless and secure as possible to avoid abandoned carts. Offer multiple payment options and clearly display shipping costs and estimated delivery times. Remember, your online store is your chance to showcase your brand and products to the world. Make it a space that is both visually appealing and easy to use, and you'll be well on your way to attracting customers and driving sales. Section 6. Spreading the word. Marketing on a budget. You've built a fantastic online store and stocked it with amazing products. Now it's time to tell the world. Marketing doesn't have to break the bank. There are plenty of cost-effective strategies you can use to reach your target audience and drive traffic to your website. Social media is your best friend. Create engaging content that showcases your products, tells your brand story, and adds value to your followers' lives. Don't be afraid to get creative with videos, behind-the-scenes peeks, and interactive polls. Email marketing is another powerful tool for nurturing relationships with potential and existing customers. Build an email list by offering a discount code or free shipping in exchange for sign-ups. Then send out regular newsletters with product updates, special offers, and valuable content. Consider collaborating with influencers in your niche to reach a wider audience. Look for influencers whose values align with your brand and who have a genuine connection with their followers. Content marketing is a great way to attract organic traffic to your website. Start a blog, create informative videos, or share your expertise on industry forums. By providing valuable content, you'll establish yourself as a thought leader and attract potential customers who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Section 7. Technology to the rescue, your digital toolkit. In the digital age, technology is your secret weapon for building a successful e-commerce business. There are countless tools and platforms available to streamline your operations, enhance your marketing efforts, and improve the customer experience. Embrace the power of artificial intelligence. AI-powered chatbots can provide instant customer support, answer frequently asked questions, and even recommend products based on browsing history. AI can also help you personalize the shopping experience, target your marketing efforts more effectively, and even automate tasks like inventory management. Augmented reality and virtual reality are transforming the way customers shop online. AR allows customers to visualize products in their own homes before making a purchase. Imagine trying on clothes virtually or seeing how a new sofa would look in your living room, all through the power of your smartphone. Don't be intimidated by these cutting-edge technologies. Many e-commerce platforms offer built-in AI features or integrations with third-party tools. Start small, experiment with different solutions, and see what works best for your business. The right technology can save you time, reduce costs, and give you a competitive edge in the ever-evolving world of e-commerce. Section 8. The Green Advantage, Sustainable E-commerce. As consumers become increasingly environmentally conscious, sustainability is no longer a nice-to-have, it's a must-have for e-commerce businesses. By embracing eco-friendly practices, you can reduce your environmental impact, appeal to a growing segment of conscious consumers, and even boost your bottom line. Start by evaluating your packaging. Can you switch to recycled and biodegradable materials? Can you reduce packaging waste by using smaller boxes or mailers? Consider offering a packaging-free option for customers who are local or willing to pay a premium for sustainability. Look for ways to reduce your carbon footprint. Offer carbon-neutral shipping options or partner with logistics providers who prioritize sustainability. If you have a physical storefront, explore renewable energy sources and implement energy-saving measures. Transparency is key when it comes to sustainable e-commerce. Be upfront about your efforts and share your sustainability journey with your customers. Highlight your eco-friendly products, packaging, and shipping options on your website and social media channels. By embracing sustainability, you're not just doing good for the planet, you're also positioning your brand as a responsible and forward-thinking business that customers can feel good about supporting. Section 9. You've got this. Taking the plunge. Building a successful e-commerce business takes time, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. There will be challenges along the way, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Remember why you started this journey in the first place. Hold on to your passion, stay focused on your goals, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Surround yourself with a supportive community of fellow entrepreneurs, mentors, and advisors. Join online forums, attend industry events, and connect with other business owners in your area. Sharing your experiences, challenges, and successes with others can provide invaluable insights and motivation. The world of e-commerce is constantly evolving, so stay curious and embrace innovation. Keep learning, experimenting, and refining your strategies to stay ahead of the curve. And most importantly, never stop believing in yourself and your vision. You have the power to build something truly special. Now go out there and make it happen.